guys, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are doing a part 2 to the granny square tutorial that I had done last week, 2 weeks ago. I don't know, I'm gonna have that in the link in the description below. But a lot of you guys were wondering how to change colors in your granny squares. So I just grabbed some Lion Brand Re-Up. It's just a cotton yarn that they have. And I'm gonna show you how to change colors in the granny square so where it won't look silly. See if I can find, there it is. All right, so it's pretty neat. I use this pretty much anytime I change colors, not just in granny squares. So we have finished this round, and before we attach it to the top of this, what you're gonna do is you're going to, we did our chain 2, so we're inserting our hook into the top of the stitches, but we're not gonna use this same color. So we're gonna pull that to the side, and we're gonna grab our new color, so this gray color, and we're gonna yarn it over and pull it through those stitches. And then we will start our next round the same way that we've been doing. So the pattern doesn't change or anything. We just changed our colors. And so when you look at the join, it just starts the new color. So these are the stitches for your first spot, and then it just switches over. And that's all. You'll tighten this down and you'll weave in the ends, obviously, but that's the only difference is just before you start your next row, you finish off with the new color. So we'll do it one more time. I'll try and go a little bit slower. All right, so we take our hook and we insert it into the top of the last stitch like we normally would if we were just gonna take this and slip stitch it closed. So insert it into the top, pull your color that you're working with away, and grab your new color and use that to slip stitch closed. So now when you tighten your teal down, it looks like you finished it normal, but you just added this color so it won't look messy when you change colors. And like I said, you can use this anytime you change colors. Anytime, not just in this. If you want to do that in a beanie, you'll like get to the end of your round of your beanie and you'll switch colors. And that's how you would do that. And then you'll just finish it off and weave in the ends like you normally would. But yeah, so that's just a little short tutorial on how to do a color change in pretty much anything, but that's how I do it with a granny square. We are gonna do a part 3 of this, and I'm gonna do some granny square borders that'll probably come next week for you. So keep an eye out for that, and make sure you guys have clicked the bell and subscribed so you can get notifications when my next video goes live, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.